Okay, so what we have Korean cream cheese garlic bread, corn dog, adobado, ano ba to? Adobo pandesal, milk, soy milk, and crab rice here. So, hindi pala siya adobo. Adobo pandesal. So, first, let's take a bite from corn dog. Mm. 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 Stop. And then, ano pa? Mm. Masarap siya. Tirahin ko lahat. Okay. This one. Take a look at the fillings. Oh my God, nalaglag. Adobo nga siya, may sumpaw. Ay, naragdag. Subok ba lahat? Okay. There's a problem sign. Buntis lang ang thing. Okay. How about this? Kinamay talaga. Sorry naman, kinamay ko lang. Ano ba yung sauce nito? Hindi nyo na kailangan ng sauce kasi the roll itself is masarap na. Yun lang. Masarap na. Bye.